When you clicked on this video, you saw an ad. Now just imagine an internet without ads. Yes, you have heard it right. Ad-free internet or free internet from the ads. This video is not going to show you how you can get free internet, but rather show you how you can disable ads. And this can be done by installing Raspbian OS on Raspberry Pi and installing Pi-hole, which is a one-stop solution to disable all the ads on the network, on your home network, and block domain names or control domains. This can be a great project for your cybersecurity college research as well. So let's do it. So to do this, you need Pi-hole. Now Pi-hole has a one-stop installation process, and for the device I am using Raspberry Pi with Raspbian installed. So there is a one-stop script which can be run directly on the terminal. I'm using SSH. You just have to paste in the script. I'll add the link in the description and the installation will start. The first and the most important thing is you need a static IP for the device, and you need to select the mode, that is Ethernet 0. I'm using Ethernet cable, you can use wireless, and we are going to select anonymous. The three options basically indicate you want to add some network, or you want to stay secure, or the third one is to stay completely anonymous. With these you have installed Pi-hole successfully, and post installation you will get the details of the admin panel. Now you can run the command to check if the website is accessible or not. As you can see, youtube.com is accessible. Now what I'll do is I'll show you an ad. As you can see, there is this ad which is not opening, but we can still see the ad. Now how this works is Pi-hole basically blocks the whole domain. So for example, for this ad, the domain is provided by Google, and if you just type in dig space the IP address of the machine, that is the local host, and the domain name, you will notice that the data is routed from 0.0.0, which is basically blocking it. Now you need to use the IP address of this Raspberry Pi and configure it as the DHCP and DNS server inside your router. You can just use Google and just add in the IP address. And the best part is Pi-hole also has its own admin panel. If you go to the admin panel, you will notice that these amount of ads are blocked, and these are the devices that are connected. Now we are going to make it even stronger by manually adding multiple ad networks. So to do that, you need to visit Firebug, which basically provides you with a list of ads network, and you can add those networks. Right now my Pi-hole is blocking few of them. I'll just copy these URLs. These domains are from the ad network, and as you can see, I have around 1,38,000 ad networks. I'll just click on add list and add the domain name over here. You can add any network or any domain name that you wish to block. If you are an administrator or a system admin or a network engineer, you can use the same Pi-hole to block any website on the network. Now by default, Pi-hole does not access all the network and use it. So once you add the website, you just have to type Pi-hole -d-g, which basically adds the network. And if I refresh the page, right now you can see 1,38,000 ads or ad network blocked. If I refresh it, you will notice that around 4 lakh have been blocked. Now by any case, if you go to system and if you go to dashboard, you will notice that 4 lakh ad list have been blocked. If you want, you can add in any website and create a group. Now what if your network has a system which needs access to ads? You can do that by creating client group. You can create a client or add in a local IP address, a private IP, and create a group. You can also use a MAC address, and you can name that particular computer or MAC address as a specific computer. You can create groups and then you can allow certain websites for that particular computer or set of computers. So this is quite simple. One more thing that I personally like is using DNS utils. This basically allows you to add in as a DNS server and work as a DNS server. Now everything is pretty much configured and you have a network which can block websites, it can block ads, and it also shows you a list of websites that can be blocked or that are blocked and how many times it has protected you from the ads. Now you have a network that is ad free and you have ad free internet. So if you check the status, you will notice that DNS and DHCP services are running, everything is working well. Now just give a static IP to the computer or the Raspberry Pi that you have used and then use that computer to change the DNS. And I would also recommend you to clear all the cache of all the browsers so that ads that are cached inside your browser will be removed. And if you want, you can change the DNS provider as well. I personally recommend using Cloudflare, or you can use a upstream custom DNS by installing DNS utils. I personally use the personal DNS, but it is less secure. If you use Cloudflare, you will be more secured, but I personally like to use it because if you check the DNS, all the cache or the cached website or cached ads will be removed. So once this is done, you will notice that if you search for a IP, you will notice that it is running.